Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your crypto assets with Cash App. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Cash App on your mobile device. Tap on the Investing tab located at the bottom of the screen. Select Bitcoin from the list of investment options. If you don't have Bitcoin yet, you will need to buy some first. Follow the prompts to purchase Bitcoin using your linked bank account or debit card. Once you have Bitcoin, return to the Investing tab. Select Bitcoin again to access your Bitcoin wallet. Tap on the Withdraw Bitcoin option. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you wish to protect. Choose a secure external wallet, preferably a hardware wallet for enhanced protection. If you don't have an external wallet, consider setting one up from a reputable provider. After confirming your external wallet address, double-check to ensure it is correct. Follow the prompts to complete the transfer of Bitcoin to your external wallet. Wait for the transaction to process, which may take a few minutes. Once the transfer is complete, check your external wallet to confirm the Bitcoin is safely stored. Consider enabling two-factor authentication on your Cash App for added security. Regularly monitor your wallet and update your security settings as needed. Stay informed about the latest security practices to safeguard your crypto assets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.